Good morning, student. Today, we're discussing about an important chapter in the basic mathematics, that is bill discount. You have to read chapter number 8, bill discounting. It's a very common term we're using in daily life, come across in daily business life. So, first of all, I can take an example. I'll tell what the concept of bill discount first. So, here an example. Here it's a wholesaler. Here is a retailer. So what happens in business? Retailer has to goes to wholesaler. He went to the wholesaler to purchase goods. Assume that he purchased 50,000 worth goods. Rupees 50,000 worth goods he purchased. But usually in business transaction, you know very well that the amount is not given amount in cash. So what happens? He has to sell the goods, and after that only amount is to be put into the bank and wholesaler get. And wholesaler will get the credit because he has to move the product. Wholesaler, when the manufacturer company bought, he can't give the good and move. So what happens? He has to give 2,000 rupees. But the retailer don't have money at the present, so he will give one check or a bill of exchange. That's called a bill of exchange. The format is there, bill of exchange. It is a date, place, signature, everything is there. Assume that bill is purchased on date 21/2020. Sorry. 11/12/2020. Assume that this is the date. This is the date the retailer has went to the wholesaler to purchase the goods, and this date and the date he purchased a bill, the bill of exchange. This is called bill of exchange. It is also called as negotiable instrument. Negotiable instrument. Like a check. So it's a format. Format is draw. This is the draw date, and for that he has to mention amount also 50,000. Okay, and he told that he will pay the amount only after 3 months. So 3 months. 3 months. This is the bill period. Bill period 3 months, because both will agree. Both will agree. He will tell that. He will tell that I'll pay only after 3 months. Then what happens? What 3 months? What happens here? This is the 50,000 amount become the face value. So face value of the bill is rupees 50,000, and the agreement made between him, the maturity will be 3 months after. This is the bill period. Bill period is equal to, because short form BP, it is 3 months. 3 months. So what happens? So the bill is expired only after 3 months. Then when the bill is going to due, so the wholesaler get the money, the bill is due date. It is called legal due date. We call short form LDD. What is LDD? So LDD is the legal due date. How to calculate it? Nothing but it's a draw date plus bill period. For this, 3 months grace will be there. 3 days grace. 3 days grace. Without grace, we call it only nominal due date. So what is the nominal due date? Without grace period, if the bill is matured, only that with this it is called nominal due date. But if you add 3 days grace, it is called legal due date. So after the 3 months, the bill is going to the bill can be able to encash and you get the money by the wholesaler. So 3 days grace will be there. So if you calculate that one, it will be there. But so the bill is in case 1, 11, 12, 2000, the draw date plus bill period will be 3 months and plus 3 days grace. So it become 14. That is become 2021 and will be March 3. So this is the 11th December 2020. This is 14th March 2021. This is called a due date. So the wholesaler has to wait till this date to get the amount back. And there are some conditions are there for the bill. Okay, what are the bill of conditions? The bill can be matured, get the amount only after this day, at 14 March. 14 March date. It can't be, you can't also cannot get the money before the date. And second thing is, suppose this retailer want to extend the amount. So the bill can be extended for the period, but he has to get with the wholesaler. So the bill can be extended for some more period. Okay, but the wholesaler get the money, put the money exactly on this date, 14. Okay, without this grace period, this amount is called, this date is called the nominal due date. Okay, now what happens here? On 14 March, the legal due date. So what is the legal due date? Calculate, it will be draw date plus bill period plus 3 days grace. These are some of the important giving terms which I am using here. F is called the face value of the bill. This is called the draw date. This is called the bill period. This is the legal due date. But what happens? The bill wholesaler has got the bill. He received on 11/12/2020. He has to wait till 14 to get the amount of this amount. But wholesaler has got some financial crunch. He need urgent money. Where you go? You go to a more person called banker or financier. This is the banker. What banker will do? When he goes, assume that he went on 20th January 2021. Assume that he has to wait till 14 March to get the amount. But he need urgent money. He went to banker on when? 20th January. So what happened? Banker will calculate. Okay, what the banker do? He will discount the bill. For the discount the bill, he will charge a simple interest on this value, till this period, not the whole period. See what the period come between the due date and this discount. This date is called discount date. The date on which the bill is discount date. This is draw date. This is due date. This is discount date. So 3 dates are there here. First date will be draw date. Next go to discount date. Next go to due date. Always first comes draw date. Next comes the due date. So next comes will be due date. Right? So let it goes. So the bill is drawn on December 11th, 2020. It is going to mature, redeemable, encashable by the wholesaler on 14 March 2021. But he can't wait. He has to go to the banker to get the bill discounted on when? 20th January. Now, what the banker will do? He will charge a nominal rate of interest. That is called R. So what is R is called? Rate of interest. Rate of simple interest charged by the banker on this what period? Between this period. Which period? The period for this due date and the discount date. That period is called discount period. So what is discount period? Discount period. It is also called unexpired bill, unexpired period. Unexpired period. Symbol is T. So F is called the face value, B is called 3 months, LGD is called legal date, R is called date of simple interest with a banker. One more comes discount period. For the discount period, symbol T. Is nothing but legal due date minus discount date. So what is the discount period? It is the difference between this date and this date. Difference. So what the due date here? The due date is 14th March 2021 and minus this date 20 January 2021. How to subtract? See, addition very easy. I add like this. After December, 3 months, January, February, March comes. But I can't manage this because we can't manage. I have to calculate days. How to calculate here? You start from reverse side. Okay, from January start. January, you know that it will be 28 days. January, how many days are there? 31 days are there. 20 over. So in January, we are remaining 11 days. And February, 28 days. If it is leap year, it becomes 29 days. And again, 14 days comes here. March, it will be 14 days. The total it becomes totally days will be 53 days. 53 days. That become 53 by 365, that become years. So that I calculate here, that becomes it will be 0.15 year. Now, see that for the discount period, the difference between due and the discount date. How to calculate? Like this calculate. See, due date is very easy. How to calculate due date? Date of draw, dot date, billing period, mentioned here, and grace period. That becomes 14 March. Adding is very easy. But to find discount period, you have to go reverse. Subtraction will become like this. So calculate like this. You can't separate like this here. Separate. This is the T. So T value how much? T, this is T. So T is called, this is called discount period. That is T. How to calculate T? It is the legal due date minus discount date. Minus discount date. Discount date. So we got this value, discount period. Now what happens here? So this is the bill, this is the face value. So what happens here? The face value going to get only of this date, but the wholesale cannot wait. He has to go to financier banker to get the discounted bill. What financier will do? He will calculate how many days are there, and for this days discount period, he will charge simple interest. Maybe 0.5%, 3%, 8%, usually from 5 to 10%, depend upon this financier and depend upon their, it will be two party. This is the first party, second party, will be there, agreement will be there. Now, what are time you learning here? We are learning. So after that, what happened? Discounted, calculated here. Now, you know that. Now I am showing once again. Again, the example. This is the date on which the bill is drawn. Where the written the It was supposed to mature on March 14, but because of the wholesale need urgent money, we went to the financial banker on January 20th. So, what the bill amount here is also called face value bill, and what the rate of bill? Assume it is 15%, because 0.15, and what the legal date? Dot date, bill paid, 3 days gate, become 1 month, and bill paid 3 months. What T is called? T is called discount period. So discount period, due minus discount date. How to calculate here? I told you earlier how to calculate. Go reverse side. January, this will go reverse side. So January, it become 11 days. February, it becomes 28 days, and March, it becomes 14. They become 53 days and calculate. This one very important to calculate. Now, learning, then come to discounted over. Now, then one more thing that to present work. To present work. Simple speed. 2%. What 2% work? 2% work is the amount. Is the amount, okay, which is invested today. Suppose invested today, how much it become the amount on that due date? Now 50,000 rupees on this date, but the amount is not same with this date, because amount will keep on decreases. It won't decreases here. The amount will less here. So you want to calculate what is the actual amount, 2% amount, okay, which you have invested today on this date, and how much value will be there on due date. Okay, for the tree value, for that we had a formula is there. How to calculate the formula is there is F by 1 plus AR. This formula I have to use. You have to use the formula here. 2% per, which is the amount invested today, what the amount become at the due date. Calculate like this. So for this, 50,000 is the E value is 0.15x. Assumed rate of return will be 0.15. So that becomes 15,000 divided by 1.02175, and that becomes 48,935. So I told you earlier that amount, actually 3,000 is not the amount, what amount is here. Okay, the amount we got will be 48,000. This is the present worth. So P is called the present worth. Present worth means the amount on this discount date, present worth. So how do you get to present value? Formula to remember. The formula is there. With the formula, you get the answer. This amount is always less than the face value. So one more formula to add in there. P is to present work, also called as TPV. TPV. Correct? So I'm adding all the formula under. Next, come to, so I think it's all clear for you. I just remove this one. Okay. Next, we pass on to. So this amount becomes rupees 40,935. This is the 2% amount. Next, come to discount. Discount, there are two types of that. One is true discount, and the other is bill discount. What true discount? Is a discount on P. That is on 48,935. This is discount on F. That is rupees 50,000. That's all different. Both are same. For the 2%, right here. So discount one is to discount on P, another one is bankers discount on F. So what is the P amount here? It is 48,930. This is amount will be 50,000. So the two discounts are there, true discount and banker discount. This is we call ED, this we call BD. Or two discount is discounted on the P, this value, 2% value. This is discount on the face value to the bank. Okay, now one more term comes here, so this comes here BD, banker discount. And one is true discount. I'm giving all the term we're using here, right? Okay. Now, next comes will be discounted value of the bill. It also called as DBB, or also called as banker present work. One more time you are learning here, discount value bill or DBB banker present. What the discount value bill? Discount value bill is nothing but the discount amount subtract from the face value. That is the face value minus the banker discount. So this is the thing. Next one, discount value of the bill. Discount value of the bill is also called as banker present value. Banker present value. How to calculate? Nothing but the difference in the amount between face value and the discount value. Now observe it. Now, after everything over, we have one more term called banker gain. How much the bank will indicate by discount bill? So banker gain. Banker's gain is given by symbol BG, nothing but banker discount minus 2 discount. Sorry. So in this one, for this amount, if you calculate the discount value bill, it becomes and for 2 discount, the formula is going to give you 2 discount formula is PTR and banker discount formula is FTR. If you remember this formula, you calculate easily. So PTR is 48,935, TVR is 0.145 into 0.15, and this becomes 50,000 into 0.145 into 0.15. If you use the calculator, that finally becomes, therefore, the 2 discount you get is 1,064.33 rupees, and banker discount is equal to 1087.50 rupees. If you use the calculator, you get the answer like this. 2 discount become 1,064, banker become 1,087. Now this subtraction, therefore, banker gain is equal to banker discount minus 2 discount. Always remember, banker discount is more than 2 discount. Why not? Banker discount calculated face value, 2 discount calculated the present value. So definitely the banker discount more than this 2 discount. If you subtract 1,087.50 minus 1,064.33, that becomes rupees 23.17. So now you see what all terms we got here. So now one more term again, bank gain, bank gain. Now see all these terms. These are terms that remember in case of this chapter very well. First of all, you have to remember draw date by whom? Draw date by the retailer. When the wholesale get the amount, due date, because the agreement 3 months bill pay display, sometimes 6 months also. Now, banker need urgent money. He goes to where? Banker goes, he will make the wholesale went to banker, discount the bill on this date. So, 3 dates are there. One is draw date, discount date, due date. Okay, and this difference is called discount period. Discount period T. That's very, very important because you see all the bill T is very important. Now we got what our terms are there here. Ultimately, this is the time of discount. What are terms are learning here? First, here, what is called? It's called bill amount or face of the bill. Discount rate. Assume 15% for this problem. It will be 8% also. And legal due date. Total bill per 3 days and bill per 3 months. What discount period? Legal bill means discount date. This is very important thing because there are separate tarifas here. And make it details and 2% per banker discount. 2 discount to calculate. I do the formulas here. 2 discount PTR, banker discount FTR, and discount as the bill. Nothing but equal to face value minus banker discount. This amount, what is getting of the bill. So subtract this amount. So you will get the amount 50,000 minus 23.17. So bank present value, you can calculate very easily. Now, applying all the terms, F or LGD, BP, discount period, 2% value, bill discount, 2 discount value, and banker gain. So now I'm going to give to calculate everything where the formulas are there. So if the formulas are there, if you remember the formula, we can easily able to go to all the examples. Now, it's already given textbook also. It's a textbook is there in that page number 277, 276, 85, I think so. All the list of formulas are given here. But once again, I'm giving this formula for your reference. So first of all, I'm going to give the formula here. This formula I have to memorize. First one, how to calculate legal due, nothing but draw date plus bill period plus 3 days grace. It will be 3 or 6 months usually. And second formula is banker discount, formula is FTR, and 2 discount, formula is PTR, and 2 present one, P, F by 1 plus TR, and discount value of the bill is equal to F minus BD, and banker gain BG. It has 3 formulas are there. One, we can use BD minus TD, or we can use the formula TD into TR or F TR whole square by 1 plus TR. So the three formulas are there. Aim and is answer missing. What the bank can be? TD, BD minus TD, TD, TR, FTR was by 1 plus TR. It's all given in textbook, right? Now again 7 T. T is called what? T is the discount period. Discount calculation period. Legal due date minus discount date. Discount date. It's always will be okay in years. Comes in days, change into years. So number of days between the due and the discount date is called the due discount period. Now, and one more formula here. Suppose you want to calculate the bill amount, face value. If you know discount period, you know rate, okay, other thing, how to calculate here? So, F is equal to BD into ED by BE. So these are the set of formula to remember. If you know all this formula, easily can calculate any kind of problems. Is it clear? I think so. Now, what I will do? I will take an examples, 2, 3 example, different example, and I will show you how to use all this formula for finding the bank account discount everything. So I think the concept is very clear for you, right? So what happened the bill here? A retailer is there, you go to the wholesaler. So what happened? You don't have money, you'll give that bill of exchange, a pro forma is there. So there you mention the date, everything. The bill can be redeemable and cashable by the wholesaler or due date. Due date means what? It will be nothing but for the due date, you have to add the bill period and the base period. Without base period, it's called nominal due date. And what happens here? Suppose the between both parties, that is wholesale and the retailer, accepted, the bill can be again extended. The due date is not permanent. It is extended further also, but agreement should be made extendable. And how to bill be encashed by the drawing, or you can say the agent is stamped and bill can be exchanged, and we get the complete amount. Suppose the bank needs urgent money, where you go to the bank, the financial. What financial do? We discount the bill. Means what? You will take the simple interest for the days remaining between what? That the discount date and the this one, what? Due date. Simple interest charge. Okay. Maybe 5%, 2% something. In the exam, I think 15% taken. Exam I taken so. So like that one. Then after that, what happened? We have to calculate one more term called 2% cut. It's the actual amount invested on the particular day. 50,000 rupees is not same amount will be there for discounted period. It will change discounted date. So for that amount, what the interest come actually? The actually it will be due discount. Then they calculate on the face value, PTR. But interest calculate the face value become banker discount. So two formulas are there. BDTD, banker discount, due discount, FTR. F is face value, P is the 2% value. How different it be? In all the formulas is important, T is very important. T is what is T here? Difference between due and the discounted date. Okay, that is we calculate in terms of days, making the year later. Right? Now, these are the list of formulas. If you know all the formulas, you know all the formulas very clearly. I will take 2 or 3 examples. Okay. Right now, the first problems 1. So the problems are there in textbook. I will take the problems, the exercise 8.1 and page number 276. So there are problems are there. First level 1, level 2, level 3. Simple problem, the higher problem, and again further. So there are around some 20 problems are there. All are easy. Just only have to remember all this formula. You can use it to it. Right? The first one is first formula. A bill was drawn on 14 March 2013 for 3 months. Calculate LDD. So, observe here a simple problems. Okay. Simple problem. A maybe short, maybe 1 or 2 mark question. A bill was drawn. First of all, any problem given what should do? Read the problem carefully 3 4 times. Read the data. Data means what? What is given and what you have to find out. Simply don't under confusion. Read the problem thoroughly because these are statement problems, especially in commercial mathematics, which your chapter will take. Read the problem twice. Analyze what is given and what you have to find out. So data. What data we have here? The data is what is given? It is given dotted. What dot is given here? Given as 14 3 2013. What and what given 3 months? The given the bill paid. Bill paid is equal to 3 months. And this is calculate what? Due date. So calculate the due date. Very simple. Okay. So this is called data. Right? Now, for due date formula is given the formula. What is the legal due date formula? Draw date plus bill date plus previous days. Whether it be 6 months or 3 months, bill paid, period days come. What dot date? 14 March 2013 plus 3 months plus 3 days. That becomes 76 2013. What answer here? 70. This is nothing but 6 months nothing but equal to May, June. 17 June 2013. Oh, finished, that's all. Finished. So just add this. So it will be 17 June. The bill is drawn on 14 is going to mature, going to due, going to redeemable, encashable by the what? Wholesaler won't anticipate. Till the date he can't get down. You want to get down, you have to go to where? Bank with a discount. Right? Now, I think I'll start one more example. One more problem will take. Second problem. A bill drawn. A bill was drawn for 3 months. 3 months was legally due on 18 8 2012. Find the draw date. The question. In the earlier question, what happens? They are given draw date, bill we are calculating, due date. Now, the reverse. They are given due date. We calculate draw date. And it is given. What is the formula here? Legal due date is equal to draw date plus bill paid plus 3 days grace. The formula already knows it. Now I want to calculate what? Draw date. So what is the draw date? The draw date is equal to due date minus bill paid minus 3 days grace. What's the due date here? 18 8 2012 minus 3 months minus 3 days. Now subtraction. Okay, days we can separate. So 15. Go back to 8 month. Okay, 8 before 7, 6, 5. So 15, 5, 2005. This is August month. Before August it will be July, with June and May. So this is the due date. When the bill is done, 15 by 30. You want to check, again go back, you get the same month. Okay, so you want to check now, for this add 3 month period, you get the same month. Then how you calculate what? That draw date, because you know due date. Right? Now these are simple question. Right? We can do calculate directly. Okay. Now what up in this case? Don't panic here, analyze very carefully. Right? Okay, because see the year there. Sometimes it's okay. Sometimes when it comes December, January comes in between. You be very careful. Because what happens? Yearly changes. 12 become 13. What student usually will do? They put 12 only here. So be careful about this kind of problems, right? Now, one more problem I'm going to give here. One more problem. Third one. Third example. Okay. This is a bill. A bill for rupees 12,900. 12,900 drawn on 3rd February 2004 at 6 months. At 6 months. 6 months. And it was discounted on 13th March 2004 at 8% per annum. For what sum the bill was discounted and how much did the bankers gain in this transaction? I told you earlier, that is the whole problem here. This includes date. Whenever you got date comes a problem, these are standard problems. Date comes here. Now, read the problem carefully. Get the what? Data. Data have to write. So what is given in data? Data right here. First given up, this is the face value. Yes. 900. Bill amount. This is the face value of the bill. Second one,